Hello, and welcome to the new PubMed tutorial. This new PubMed interface will eventually completely replace the current PubMed, now referred to as Legacy PubMed. Today, we're going to go over some of the changes, as well as explain how to retrieve full text in the new PubMed. We need to start on the Medical Center Library homepage. From here, we're going to scroll down to the database icons on the bottom right and select the PubMed icon. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to input your LinkBlue credentials for access. As soon as you enter the new interface, you will immediately see the difference. On the home page, you will find that the search bar is much larger. Underneath the search bar, there are 4 subheadings: Learn, Find, Download, and Explore. Immediately below the basic search bar is the link to the Advanced Search Builder. For help with advanced searching, please reach out to the Medical Center Library. A new feature for searching is that you can use natural language to create your search query. Instead of typing something like breast cancer and men, you could type breast cancer in men and still retrieve search results. If we conduct that search now, we'll be taken to the new results page. Searching in the new PubMed shows results in best match by the default sort option. To retrieve the full text of an article, you first need to select the article. So I'm going to click on the first search result here. And on the right, under the full text links heading, click the View Now UK button. This is the same as in Legacy PubMed. Sometimes, like in this first example, you'll be automatically brought to the full text PDF of the article you selected. A better example, though, is the 5th result from this search. So I'm going to go back and click on that one. Selecting this article and clicking the View Now UK button will bring you to UK's catalog entry for this article, as you can see now. Here you will find a link to the full text of the article under View It, where it says Full Text Available. Remember, the only way to be able to access the full text is by entering PubMed through the Medical Center Library's website. If we do not have access to the article, you will instead see the phrase full text not available here. In that case, you might want to get the article via Interlibrary Loan. The Medical Center has its own Interlibrary Loan service, which is separate from main campus's Interlibrary Loan. To use our service, select the Medical Campus Request for Interlibrary Loan link. You will then be brought to the MC Iliad page. From here, you will log in with your ILL credentials. These are separate from your UK LinkBlue account. And you can set this up at the First Time Users link below. That concludes our new PubMed tutorial. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact the Medical Center Library.